I'm doing my lashes for the week and I actually wanted to stop and do the other eye with y'all. I'm using the Lilac Street lashes in the style Prism, and I'm gonna show you everything that I do for my lashes to easily last 7 days. First, I'm gonna take the Lilac Lash Conditioning Primer, soak some in a cotton pad. This removes any oil, just primes the lashes and helps the glue stick better. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Pro Lash Glue on my natural lashes. This is what the applicator looks like. It's like a very tiny mascara wand. I'm just gonna take this and apply it at the base of my lashes, like so. While I let the glue get tacky, I like to grab my lash cluster and put a little bit of glue on that as well. Then we go ahead and apply the cluster underneath our lash, making sure to leave a little bit of space between your lash line. You don't want to apply it directly on the lash line because then it'll irritate you. We go ahead and repeat the process, put some glue on the cluster and apply that right under our lash. Then I go ahead and fuse the lash with my natural lash. I'm going in and applying the rest of the glue to my lashes because I did it in sections. Grab another cluster, glue, apply. Repeat this 2 more times for the last 2. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the Lilac Crystal Coat to seal in the lashes and also remove any extra stickiness. Then we go ahead and fuse one last time. We are done and ready with our lilac lashes for the week. Everything you need to achieve these lashes actually comes in the Lilac Street Deluxe Starter Pack. The starter pack comes with 3 pairs of lashes, everything else I used in this video, and it comes with a lash remover. So it's just everything you need to get started. I definitely recommend that you guys check out the Lilac Street lashes. Bye friends!